Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can disallow app requests to track on iPhone. So if app are requested to track you or you track your activities on your iPhone, here is how you can disable that. So the first thing you have to do is open up your settings, then scroll down to screen time, tap on your screen time, then under the screen time tap on content and privacy restriction, then under privacy scroll down a little bit till you find an option called allow apps to request to track. So tap on the option, then under it you're going to find a couple of apps that request to track, that is requesting to track your activities while using the app. So you can say mine is 100% turned off, but you can set an overall option where those apps they don't get to request to track. So the best option is just to disallow changes. So once you set it to disallow, no apps will be able to, your app will have the chance to request to track your activities. So apps that have been asked for permission to track your activities with an identifier will appear here. So these are the list of the apps that request for the permissions to track, but you can just toggle on disallow, and that's it. If you find this video helpful, like and follow for more. Thank you.